This is the 72-volt Kooz, and this is the Stark Varg. Since I don't have $1,100, I'm going to be transforming this bike into the Stark Varg with these 3 simple steps. The first thing I need to do is fix the dead space in this throttle. The second thing I need to do is upgrade the power. The third thing I need to do is change the throttle curve. I will be doing all of these in this video. Here are the benchmarks before the upgrade. All right, 3, 2, 1. 30! All right, that is the 0 to 30 test right there. Now it is time for the top speed test with the stock performance. Okay, let's go. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 58.5 is the top speed. And now, time for the wheelie ability test. Oh my gosh, you can't even pick it up like at all. All right, there we go. It is indeed wheelieable, but like there's like no bottom end torque because of that throttle curve, and it's just less bus amps and everything like that. It's still not bad though, I won't even lie. Like I would be perfectly fine with riding this around, but you definitely can do better with this, with the bike. Guys, look at my hand, by the way. It's cooked. Do not punch glass. Not a smart idea. But now we're gonna tune this baby to be like a Stark Varg 390 and 140. This is about to be crazy. And then throttle response, put that baby in sports mode. And okay, let's run it. Okay, we are back. Let's just start the 0 to 30 from right here. Okay, 0 miles per hour. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. 30! Holy shit. This is fast. I'm already at 59, 60 miles per hour. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. That is a crazy amount of power for $2,500. Oh my gosh. Let's see if we can pick up the wheel at 23. Ah, no. It's not that crazy. I bet if I gave it a little harder tug. Pause. All right, we're gonna give this baby the top speed test now. I don't even think it needs it because this is crazy. Wow, dude, the wheelies like pop up so quick. It's kind of hard to get used to. Wow, I'm selling. All right, top speed test starting now. 150, 4, 55, 56, 57, 58. Yo, it's hella windy, by the way. No tuck. I'm gonna tuck real quick. 59 and a half. But we're gonna run that back. It's got more juice in it, I swear. Let's go. 61. 61 for proof. Hell yeah, baby. So the top speed, what was it, 56 or 57 last time, so it increased by like 4 to 5. Yo, that is crazy improvement for the same exact bike. The same exact bike, you get like 50% more power than when it comes with. That is crazy. So now I think it's like 12 kilowatts. Yeah, but honestly, definitely not Stark Varg level, but it is pretty damn fast. Yo, check out these aesthetics. Nice time to ride. Honestly, this bike doesn't feel bad to wheelie, but I think that's because I practice so much on it and I haven't tried that many other bikes. So if I were to try other bikes, I might think it's like a really bad wheelie bike, but it's definitely wheelieable. It's just kind of hard. Like the 2DO is a lot easier to wheelie. That should be obvious, right? Or actually it depends, because like if you like went too low with the 2DO, there's no coming back. You're just done with the wheelie after that. But like if you go a little low on this, you have most of the time enough power to just pull it right back up. Dude, once it leans to the right, I'm just so cooked after that. No, but this, if you get the bike at the start and you're kind of disappointed about the power, which you probably won't be because it still feels kind of crazy, you will be astonished by how much power you feel once you tune it. Like, it is night and day, let me tell you. But there is a caveat. The battery will drain a lot faster, 50 or like 40% faster than if you had it just stock. And I don't know if this is good for the battery or the motor, you know? I'm just risking it for the biscuit. I think I might, after this video, put it at like 125. I had it at 120 before, so maybe 125 and 385 of the other things. I don't really remember. Yo, you guys are gonna like this view. Check out this view, everybody. Oh, tough. Man, guys, this is aesthetic. Man, bro, check this out. This is fire. Dude, I don't have the phone mounted to my helmet anymore, so I had to like turn my body to get the shots. Wheelies by the lake. Ah, shit, I suck. Wheelies by the lake. I don't really know where to go. Alright. I think I'm gonna turn around soon. This is getting a little sketch. Alright. Hey, that was legal, okay? This is a closed course. By the way, YouTube, everything here is done by a trained professional on a closed course, alright? Man, bro, just look at this though. This is sick. Alright, I have went 7.5 miles so far, and I'm at something volts, like 76, 77 volts. So I still got a lot of battery. Yo, this is mad peaceful, dude. Sorry I'm not doing more, just like showing off the performance, and it's just like a street ride, but like I just don't know what to say. It just feels crazy, but this is just peaceful. Also, yes, I finally upgraded the microphone. You guys will be able to hear me. Whew. Dude, the last video, I turned on like I forgot what it's called, like, I don't know, noise isolation or something. Dude, it worked kind of, but it also glitched my voice in like half of it. I don't really know. So I was like, okay, I'm getting the DJI mic and I'm gonna use like the rest of my money. It was only 35 bucks, but I am low-key broke. So guys, donate to my OnlyFans. Not actually, do not donate to the Malope OnlyFans. Like, bro, how am I supposed to save that? It's leaning all the way to the right for no reason. And how am I supposed to pull it back? I'm so confused. I need to take some wheelie lessons or something. Like, hey yo, by the way, I got a marine phone case on my phone, so everyone driving by me, dude, they're probably looking at the marine phone case. Hey, and I don't mind it, it's fire. Honestly, I've been struggling to find video ideas, like, with the same bike. Like, a lot of the, like, e-moto channels I watch, or like the Runs or whatever, they get like new things every week, and it's way easier for them to make a YouTube video. But for me, dude, I'm using the same bike, so I'm trying to think of good ideas that like aren't impossible for me to do. So if you guys have any ideas, I would actually like appreciate it hella. Bam, 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 bam. Whoa, there's a big divot in the ground right there. We are back with a nice sunset. Man, this is like a normal occurrence for the videos now. See, like that wheelie was pretty good. I don't know, it just depends on the day, I guess. Hopefully my tire doesn't pop like my last like 10 videos. Okay, we are good, baby. Oh, my wrist. Ow. Dude. All right, downhill top speed test. Okay, I have something. I guess a speed limit 62. Like, I need to turn that off in settings. Because every single time it's just 62. There's no way. It definitely goes faster than that. I felt the acceleration. Accelerating. Yo. What the? I think I'm overheating. Did you guys see that? Arrow code 6. Uh-oh. It's always right here where my tire would pop too. Nope. I'm turning around. Arrow code 6. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna keep it slow from now on. No error code 6 for me. No, no, no. We're putting this in mode 2. Well, I think that's gonna end it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It took me a while to think of this idea. So if you guys have any more ideas, just let me know. But anyways, peace, subscribe, comment, whatever. Bye.